Hello, contractors, do-it-yourselfers. It's Chad here, ex-engineer, non-millionaire, and the glue guy at First Adhesive Technologies. What I got here are 6 2x4s, 2 feet long. I got from a big box store, home improvement store. And why I'm showing you this is I'm going to build a mini frame where I can demonstrate the step-by-step process and how to apply butyl. In other words, which lumber do you apply first? But the reason I showed you this lumber is one of the key components to building a quality deck is selecting good lumber. And of course, when I go there, I don't want to find these notches. I had to go through a lot of lumber to find it. And of course, you go down there to see if it's bow or not. They all look even, but if I put them together, you can feel across, and I can feel this one here. It seems to be higher than others. Now here's the level. Now, if the level, it really doesn't mean anything if the ground's not level, but what I do here, I just go, if I can feel a rock, if it's rocking. Now I can feel it rocking right there, so I know this one is bad. And I feel here, it's not rocking here, it's not rocking here. So this one is higher than the average. So what I do is, being an ex-engineer, I have one of these, it's a caliber. It's at 0 right now. So what I do, I pull it out and I go through there. And this one's a high one. So I push it down and it's reading 5/64 of an inch. Now you see how much it is. Let me go to another location here. This is 1/16. So you notice it's some places higher than others. I went from the one end to the other. One end, it's 1/16. The other end, I push it up and then I push it down. This one's 5/64s. So this board, all general, once you frame it out, you're gonna have to plane it. So what I do, I put an H here. All the way up here. So that's going to all be plain. So I hope that helps you in selecting lumber for your deck. And please do subscribe where you can be notified of the other video content. Hope this helped you build a deck. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.